Khatib Camille from the Gulf Weekly newspaper, and I'm here with Chef Das at the Qasr Al Sultan tent at Al Areen Palace. And today we're going to have such a wonderful World Cup menu. People are watching the game. It's intense. Russia versus Saudi. Yeah. So, tell us about your World Cup menu, sir.
First of all, I welcome all in the Al Areen tent. It's a fantastic. The ambience is outstanding. It looks like a stadium here. The food is, we have a finger foods, a lot of varieties, and this is displayed in a unique way where you cannot have it in somewhere else. It's undoubtedly one of the best destinations where we have the big screen, a giant screen, and all the nationalities are coming here to enjoy the football match here.
Well, that's fantastic. And you heard it here first. Finger foods, ambience, crowd. What more do you want for a World Cup? And who is your favorite team?
Well, I'm for Brazil.